If you are a grade 8 or a 9 learner learning EMS, then this video is for you. Welcome to the channel that is going to change the way you understand EMS. If you ever asked yourself this question, what is EMS? What is entrepreneurship? Why do we learn cash receipt journal and cash payment journal? And exactly how does the economy really work? Then you are in the right place. Welcome to grade 8 and 9 EMS RMH Academy SA, where we make EMS simple, practical and understandable. Welcome once more. My name is RMH, and in this channel I'm about helping you, an EMS learner, master EMS step by step, understand your work, pass your test and build real business knowledge. You ready? Let's get started. Now, first thing first, what is EMS? Now, an EMS stands for Economic and Management Sciences. Now, Economic and Management Sciences, it's the subject that teaches you about money, about business, and about the economy, right? That's what EMS does. Now, as an EMS learner, you need to understand that there are three main sections of EMS. And I'm going to share with you three of them. Number one, the first section of EMS, it's financial literacy. Now, this section focuses on money and accounting basics. Now, in this section, you are going to learn about the cash receipt journal, number one. Number two, you're going to learn about the cash payment journal. Number three, you're going to learn about the source document. Number four, you're going to learn about debit and credit. Number five, you're going to learn about profit and loss, right? Now, you need to understand as an EMS learner that this topic, they prepare you for accounting in grade 10. For example, if you're planning to become an accountant or someone who deals with finance, or maybe one day you want to run your own businesses and you want to be able to understand how your finances work, then you need to take this section very seriously. Because in grade 10, you are going to meet a subject known as accounting. So this topic, they prepare you for that subject. Bear in mind when you study EMS, don't just take this section for granted. You need to understand what it prepares you for. Remember, proper preparations prepares for proper performance. Now, you gotta take this thing seriously. Number two, main section of EMS, it's entrepreneurship. Now, this second section of EMS, it teaches you, or it focuses on how the businesses start and how they operate. For example, in this section, you are going to learn about the following. Number one, you're going to learn about entrepreneurs. What are entrepreneurs? Number two, you're going to learn about the business opportunities. Number three, you're going to learn about the forms of ownership. Number four, you're going to learn about management, how to manage the business. Number five, you're going to learn about marketing. Every business needs to be marketed. And number six, you're going to learn about what is known as the business ethics. That's what you're going to learn about in this section, right? Now, section number three of the three main sections of EMS, that is economy. Now, this section focuses really on how the economy really works, right? Now, in this section, you're going to learn of the following. Number one, you're going to learn about the factors of production. Number two, you're going to learn about the economic system, right? Number three, you're going to learn about the three sectors of economy. And number four, you're going to learn about the circular flow. And number five, you are going to learn about the government and the businesses. So this is what you're going to learn about in the EMS. So those are the three main sections of EMS, otherwise known as the Economic and Management Sciences. Make sense? Now, here's the thing. You now know of the three main sections of the economy. But the most important question you need to ask yourself as an EMS learner as young as you are is that why is EMS necessary? Why do you have to learn EMS? Now you need to bear in mind or keep it in mind that EMS is not just a school subject as you may think, because most learners will think EMS is just a school subject. No. The EMS is important because it teaches you about real life skills, right? Now, real life skills such as how to understand money, number one. Number two, how to start businesses. You probably might want to start your business one day. Now, it teaches you about that life skill. Number three, how to solve problems. In other words, problem solving. It teaches you about problem solving. And number four, it teaches you on how to make a well-informed financial decision. Because most of people, they have got a lot of money, but they cannot make a well-informed decision on how to use that money. So now EMS, it teaches you about that. That's the important about EMS. Now you need to keep in mind that most entrepreneurs that you see or business people that you see, that one is a successful businessman or a businesswoman, and you aspire to be like them. They have learned this. They have learned these principles when they were young. And majority of us, we didn't learn this principle. That's why we are not successful as them. So, as an EMS learner as young as you are, you need to understand how things operate. So, if you want to be successful in terms of businesses, you need to take the EMS very seriously. Now, imagine a learner who's selling snacks at school or high school, right? Now, that learner will have to buy the product, number one. Number two, the learner will have to sell those products. And number three, the learner will have to record the transaction or to record money. Number five, that person will also have to calculate the profit or loss. How much profit he or she has made or how much loss he or she has made. That's exactly what EMS, the Economic and Management Sciences, teaches you. So it teaches you about that. Make sense? Good. Now, what are you going to learn in this channel? The grade 8 and 9 EMS RMH Academy SA. Now, in this channel, you're going to find topics such as the factors of production explained step by step, simple and in an understandable manner. You're going to find topics such as the cash receipt journal and the cash payment journal explained for the beginners. You're going to learn about the enterprise. You're going to learn about the economy explained. That's what you're going to learn in this channel. Now, if EMS feels very confusing right now, don't worry. Many learners feel the same way. But imagine having an EMS tutor who works with you personally, helping you to understand every topic in the EMS until it makes sense, until it makes real sense. Imagine that. Now, my EMS online classes take place Monday to Friday with 1 to 2 hours focused session where I will connect with you one-on-one and guide and teaches you step by step, right? Now, the benefit about my EMS online class is that, number one, there is no traveling required. Number two, you save on transport cost. And number three, it is safe and convenient because you connect with me one-on-one from the comfort of your own home for as long as you've got access to internet, laptop, or the smartphone that you are currently holding. You and me, we are ready to go and teach each other what is known as EMS, right? Now, parents and learners, if you want to turn EMS subject confusion into confidence, then send me a message and join my EMS online classes today. And if you are a grade 8 or 9 EMS learner, you want to understand EMS better, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video with regards to EMS, you're not going to miss that. You'll be notified. And also do not forget to share this video to other learners who might be interested in understanding EMS better. Make sense? Until next time, me, the relentless Monama Humphrey the man, humble and intelligent King Hannah boy, the RMH himself, and the EMS subject assassin. I will be with you in the next video, and make sure you see me in that upcoming next video. Until next time, have a wonderful economic and management sciences journey.